What's up, wood warriors? Welcome to Next Tool X. Today, we're diving into the ultimate woodworking gear that turns ordinary projects into jaw-dropping masterpieces. From precision tools that save hours to game-changing gadgets you didn't know you needed. Links are in the description. Smash that subscribe button now, and let's upgrade your workshop together. These heavy-duty cabinet clamps don't just hold your boards tight, they also line them up perfectly, and even give you a built-in guide to drill your pilot holes without shifting a millimeter. Cast steel, aluminum alignment plate, max grip. It's like having a pro carpenter on your team. Whether you're hanging cabinets, building shelves, or joining boards, this gadget saves hours and mistakes. It's the smartest woodworking clamp you'll ever own. Woodworkers, meet the square that outsmarts every other square. This 6-inch Woodpecker's inDexable combo square isn't just about 90 degrees and 45 degrees angles. It locks in place every inch, has built-in scribing guides at 1/16 inch spacing, and laser-engraved markings that never wear off. Stainless steel, dead accurate, made in the USA. This tool doesn't just measure, it changes the way you work. From perfect layouts to flawless joins, this is the square you'll never put down. Meet the Match-Fit Dovetail Clamp AP. Woodworking just leveled up. With an insane 8.5-inch capacity, anti-pivot tech that never slips, and the Genius X pad delivering 2-in-1 hold-down and inline pressure, this clamp does it all. Forget expensive T-tracks. Just route your own dovetail grooves and build custom jigs like a pro. Faster setups, rock-solid grip, and frustration-free clamping. This is the upgrade every serious shop has been waiting for. Tired of smashing walls or ruining trim? The Goldblatt trim puller changes everything. Its wider, wedged center lets you pry off trim and baseboards fast, without damage. Made from beefy carbon and 65 MN steel, it handles repeated hits like a pro. Ergonomic handle absorbs impact, while the built-in spring makes trim lift effortless. Cabinets, flooring, countertops, precision work just got easier. One tool, zero frustration, all results. Need precision cuts without the headache? The HYCHIKA Jig Saw packs an 800-watt motor and 6 adjustable speeds to slice wood, metal, or plastic like butter. Flip the cutting angle, use the orbital settings, and follow the laser guide for razor-sharp accuracy every time. Quick change blades and magnetic storage keep you moving fast. From straight lines to curves, this is the power tool that makes every cut perfect. No guesswork, no frustration, just pure control. Tired of crooked cabinet hinges and wasted time? This all-metal cabinet hinge jig changes the game. With built-in bearings, precise drilling, and quick-lock clips, you can drill perfect 35mm hinge holes every single time. Fast, accurate, and frustration-free. Fits most wood, works with any drill, and turns hinge installation from a headache into a smooth, professional finish. Once you try it, you'll never go back to guessing or misaligned doors. Woodworkers, imagine drilling perfect joints every single time. No guesswork, no wasted wood. This 3-in-1 dowel jig is precision engineered from solid aluminum, with hardened steel guides that lock your drill bit exactly where it needs to be. Whether you're making corners, T-joints, or panels, it adjusts to any thickness and keeps your holes dead-on accurate. Fast, reliable, and built to last. This jig takes your woodworking from frustrating to flawless. Meet the Milescraft 1229 Hinge Jig. Its padded, self-clamping design protects doors, while adjustable settings handle all standard 1 3/8 inch to 1 3/4 inch doors. Route perfect hinge mortises, 2.5 inches to 4.5 inches, with square or rounded corners, no extra inserts needed. Router bit included. Fast setup, pro-level results. One tool, perfect doors, zero frustration. Ever struggled cutting metal, tile, or concrete solo? The Worx Mini-Cutter changes the game. Just one hand, 19,000 RPM, and a 20-volt battery that packs insane power. 3 cutting discs, 1 grinding disc. This little beast tackles anything. Safety guards keep you protected, while its compact 2.4-pound frame fits perfectly in your hand. Fast, precise, and unstoppable. Get your projects done like a pro, anywhere, anytime. Ever struggle with screws popping out or messy pocket holes? This upgraded pocket hole jig fixes that fast. With 3 titanium drill bits, heavy-duty metal construction, and built-in vacuum adapter, you get clean, precise holes every time. Adjusts in seconds for any wood, from cabinets to furniture. Quick, professional, frustration-free. DIY or pro, this jig takes your projects to the next level. And once you use it, you'll never go back. Meet the mini magnetic level, pocket-sized but insanely powerful. 2 precision bubbles, a convex lens so you can see from any angle, and get this, the bottom packs magnets strong enough to hold over 4 pounds. Stick it, level it, and boom, perfectly straight, every time. From RVS to photo frames to furniture, this gadget's a must-have for anyone who hates almost straight. The Going Make cabinet door jig is your third hand. Quickly set, adjust, and install doors with zero guesswork. Precision CNC aluminum keeps everything square, while anti-slip clamps protect your panels. Frame or frameless, left or right, this gadget handles them all. Install faster, straighter, and stress-free. This little pocket hole jig changes the game. Small enough to fit in your pocket, but strong enough to give you pro-level joints anywhere. With 9 depth settings, a clamp adapter, and wood chip relief, you'll be drilling perfect holes in seconds. No snapping bits, no guessing angles. From DIY to furniture to cabinets, it makes every project solid, clean, and built to last. Use it once, and you'll never work without it again. Installing cabinets can feel like a nightmare. Slipping frames, crooked joints, and endless repositioning. But these Man-Ram cabinet clamps turn chaos into precision. With one squeeze, they align, tighten, and hold your stiles rock solid while you pre-drill using the built-in guide. No slipping, no second chances needed. Protective pads keep your wood flawless, and the 600-pound clamping force locks everything in place. All right, makers, that's a wrap. If you loved these tools, hit that like button, drop a comment on your favorite gadget, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Tool X for more pro-level woodworking hacks. Your workshop upgrade starts here.